Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do the opening of the Fab Fit Fun starter box that was sent to me from Hello Amy Cat. Now, I'm super excited about opening this. I do not get Fab Fit Fun. I have considered it. Right now I get the Box Deluxe, so that kind of takes precedence over Fab Fit Fun. But I am super excited to see what's in here. So I just cut the tape. When you open it, this is what it looks like. There is a magazine. It tells you how the box is curated. 5 ways to boost your workout. Your box is full of secrets and we're sharing them. And eat seasonally. So it just goes through and tells you the perks of your box, giveaways that you can enter, top rated items, add-ons, positive words from our box partners, the 5 ways to boost your workout, embrace the seasons, a pretty picture and says, "And the adventure begins." How your box is curated. The horoscopes and a crossword puzzle. So, that's pretty cool. I will definitely be reading that and checking that out. This is a note from us. At Fab Fit Fun, we're all about bringing you the best of the best. That's why we're super excited for you to experience the starter box. It's just a small taste of what you can look forward to as a Fab Fit Fun member. Enjoy some of our top rated products, and don't forget that your next box will be even bigger and include even more products. Happy unboxing, Fab Fit Fun. On the back, it tells you exactly what you got in your box. And it says that the total value is worth over $200. So I'm super excited to get in here. It is taped shut. Share to win, Fab Fit Fun. So I'm going to open that up and see exactly what we got. This is what it looks like when you open it. There's all your products. So the first thing I'm pulling out is by Glam Glow. These are Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Mask. You get a 2-pack. It says, watch the sheet mask activate into a tingling 3D bubble experience. The micro bubbles instantly invigorate and detoxify the skin, revealing a glowing, deeply purified complexion. And these are valued at $18. So I'm guessing that they're $9 a piece. So that's cool. I have yet to try Glam Glow, so I'm excited to try these. The next thing we have in here is by Dr. Brandt. This is Dr. Brandt Skincare. This is the microdermabrasion. Achieve healthy skin with a blend of aluminum oxide crystals, lactic acid, and smoothing botanicals. It polishes away dead skin cells to reveal radiant skin. And this is valued at $79. Now, I've been waiting on BoxyCharm to send me some of this forever. It has yet to happen, but I'm sure that it will. It is safety sealed. And this is a pretty good size amount. I don't know if I would give $79 for it, but if it works, there's no price big enough for skincare, because, you know, skincare is the most important thing. Is an age-defying exfoliator. So I'm super excited about that. 2 products that I have not tried. The next thing in here is by Skin & Co. Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew. 1 spritz is all it takes for dewy skin. It features a blend of black winter truffle, rosemary, ginger, and peppermint to rebalance the skin's pH levels, tighten pores, and set makeup. And this is worth $35. So it's a Radiant Dew setting spray. It has got a very fine mist. It is not the most appealing smell, but nonetheless, it is a setting spray and it's supposed to be good for your skin, so I'm all about that. And then the last thing we have in here is this. This is a Rachel Pally scarf. A girl can never have too many scarves, especially if it's as cute as this neutral toned grid scarf. And this thing retails for $68. Now, I don't know if I would pay $68 for a scarf, but I'm glad to have one. It is very sheer, and it smells new. So, $68 scarf. Well, I feel pretty bougie right now. Winter is over, but nonetheless, it will return as it does every year. So yeah, I'm super excited about it. It is very thin, but as it bunches up, oh yeah, it's very cute. So, we got the $68 scarf, the $79 Dr. Brandt Skincare Microdermabrasion, the Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Radiant Spray, and then the set of two Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Masks. And this is what came in my starter box. So I'm super excited about it. And I can't wait to try some of these things that I have not tried. So, hello Amy Cat. I just wanted to say thank you again for giving me the opportunity to see and enjoy one of the starter boxes by Fab Fit Fun. And that is the end of this video. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Come back and see what I'm putting out new. And until next time, you stay beautiful. Bye.